ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here for a cozy after dark fall clean with me, or a after dark routine for fall, I guess you can say. On this particular night, I'm just cleaning up after dinner and I'm getting ready to watch Hocus Pocus 2. This was the night that it premiered, and I don't usually celebrate Halloween or decorate for it or even watch scary movies really, but I did want to watch this one because it just reminded me so much of my childhood. Hocus Pocus 1, well, the original, is just so iconic, and I had to watch this one. So I wanted to watch it with my husband. We waited for the baby to go to sleep. He's actually putting the baby to sleep as I'm cleaning, and I went ahead and cleaned, turned off all the lights, got it all cozy, turned on my candles, all my fall lights, and made some fall snacks so that we could watch this. So that's all going to be in this video. I hope it gives you those cozy October vibes. I'm also going to be including some footage at the end of a kind of pumpkin museum that we went to, or jack-o'-lantern museum. It was so epic, you guys. We went and it's a bunch of jack-o'-lanterns that are lit up, but it's like thousands of pumpkins, and it's just a huge display. But it's not just jack-o'-lanterns, it's like pumpkins carved to make the Statue of Liberty. There was a Hall of Fame, which kind of gave me like wax museum vibes, if you know the wax museum from New York, where they have a ton of like famous people and celebrities made out of wax, but this was made out of pumpkin. So it was super cool. I'm gonna be including that in the video just because it gave me October and cozy fall vibes. So I'm gonna go ahead and include that, and I hope you guys get the cozy vibes from this video. I said cozy vibes like 6 times now, but I hope you guys really do feel those vibes over in your home and clean with me if you need to.
I still think of you, but if you hold me close, I won't let go.
Okay, now that the dinner is all put away and the dishes are done, we're gonna go ahead and take care of the countertops. But first, I did want to thank NOOIE for sponsoring today's video. NOOIE is a 24/7 surveillance security company, and today they sent me 3 cameras. So the first one is the NOOIE 360 Cam 2, which is actually their upgraded version from their other 360 camera, and this camera is so awesome. I never had a camera that follows you around with movement, so that's exactly what it does. We put it in our playroom because we have plans to convert this into more of a playroom than a nursery because she doesn't sleep in here, and it just follows you around. It's so cool, and you can control everything from an app, which I'm showing you here. You just download the NOOIE app and you can see all your cameras on there. And also what's cool with the 360 cam is that you can move it around on the app, or just will follow movement, and you'll see that in the footage. The second camera that they sent me was a program that you can use indoor or outdoor. It's a spotlight camera. How cute are these colors, you guys? They pride themselves in their style and their aesthetics, and I'm just loving the neutrals. So this camera turns on with a spotlight when it senses movement. We put these outdoors on either side of the garage, and I cannot express to you guys enough how easy the setup was. My husband did this in under 10 minutes. So the reason why we put them here is because I don't know if it's the same where you're at, but in New York they have been stealing catalytic converters like crazy, which is the most expensive part of a car. So we definitely wanted to get this area taken care of and get cameras out here. So I was so excited when NOOIE reached out and they were able to send me these as well. They also include little stickers with their security cameras, which are so cute, again with the neutral colors, and then it's a little monster that says we got our eye on you, which I thought was so cute. So I put these in my front door, my back door, and on my gate so people know that they're under surveillance. And what I love about NOOIE is that they also have a bunch of things like baby cams, even pet feeders, and these cool outlets and light bulbs that you can control from an app. So if you're interested in any of these things and you need to get any of the areas in your homes under, you know, camera footage and camera surveillance, then definitely check out the information in my description. You can buy NOOIE on NOOIE.com or on Amazon, and they again gave me discount codes for you guys. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out my description box. Thank you so much to NOOIE for sponsoring today's video.
Somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing.
Also, you guys, I don't know if you noticed, I hope you do, but I got a new mic finally. My last few videos have had terrible audio, or maybe I'm just like a harsh critic on myself. But my mic broke and I was procrastinating on getting another one because a good one is money. I didn't want to get another $20 one. So I was like procrastinating and saving to get this one, and from what I'm hearing right now as I'm listening to my voice over back, I don't know why my tongue is so twisted today, sorry. But yeah, as I'm listening to the clips back, it sounds much more clear, but let me know how it sounds for you guys. I know the audio can sound different on TV and phones. Some people watch on their phones, which I think tends to do a little better in terms of audio, but my real issue is on the TV, because when I watch on my TV, it just sounds not good. So hopefully this mic fixes the problem, but let me know how you guys are hearing this or how it sounds to you guys on your TV if you're watching on a TV. So now that I got all the kitchen cleaned up, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly clean up in the living room. My husband already had put away all the toys. I'm just gonna tidy up in here so that it can be nice and cozy when we watch our movie.
Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and make all the snacks, but first I did want to show you guys the footage that I was telling you guys about. This is called Pumpkin Blaze, and I live in New York if you don't know, but this is in Old Bethpage, so definitely if you're a New Yorker, I know I got a few of you guys on here, check this out. I will say, like I said, it's not just pumpkins. It's a little bit of spooky vibes, which I didn't know when I originally saw the flyer. I'm not a big fan of spooky vibes. It's just my personal conviction, not celebrating Halloween and stuff. You guys know I'm Christian, and that's not to say that I think it's a sin or anything. Some people have personal convictions. Like, I know this fellow sister of mine that she has a personal conviction of just wearing skirts and not jeans or anything else, and I don't have that personal conviction, so I don't do it. It doesn't mean she's wrong or I'm wrong. It's just people have personal convictions. So mine is Halloween, but whatever the case is, it was beautiful. I just could have done without the spooky vibes because it had real spooky vibes. There was this house that it was the Amityville Horror House, that's what they called it, and it was super creepy, and I had my toddler with me, but other than that, it was super cool. That's Mariah Carey, and that's all pumpkins. That was literally all pumpkins, you guys. It was crazy. It was amazing. So I would recommend, if you enjoy that type of stuff, the spookiness and whatever, or if you just want to see some cool things, go ahead and check that out. Now I'm gonna make some snacks, so when my husband comes down, we could go ahead and watch the movie. This was such a cozy day. I went ahead and got some vanilla bean ice cream, and this just popped into my head. I was like, what if I make a pumpkin milkshake? So I added some of this pumpkin puree. You guys know I've been adding this to my pancake mix, to my French toast mix. I've just been going crazy with this pumpkin puree, and it makes everything so much better and fall-like. Added some milk and also added some pumpkin spice seasoning from Target, and guys, this was so good. I would highly suggest, if you're gonna have a cozy fall day, to make this. And then to top it off, I put the maple vanilla whipped cream from Target as well, and then I put some sprinkles on top. It was so good, you guys. This was delicious. It was like by far the best milkshake I've ever made. I also got these pumpkin spice white chocolate cookies from Target and topped it off with that, and it was just so good.
I should have treated you much better.
Hey you guys, so that is it for today's video. Definitely let me know your thoughts on Hocus Pocus 2 down below. I will see you guys in my next one, God willing. As always, we're getting close to Christmas content, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.
I am too late. I'm thinking of you.